Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm gonna be using some peach, lemon, 2 apples and some carrot to make a drink, guys. And guys, you know that peach is good for you, carrots are for the eyes, so this combination will be so good for the body. So I'm gonna wash my carrots, and I don't have to do any cutting up with the carrots, but I'm gonna have to take the seeds out of the peach and core the apples. So let's get into this video. I might use more than 1 apple. I'm gonna go for at least maybe 4 more, 3 more and add to this. So guys, I'm gonna get my things washed and come back to you, everything, and then we can start our video. And don't forget, health is wealth, guys. So guys, now I'm rinsing my carrots. So I'm showing you a new basket that I bought. So I've washed them in the sink already. So these are peach, so you have to be very gentle with them. So this is what I'm doing now, rinsing them off. That's the upper stem. So guys, the carrots, I don't have to cut them because they can go in the oven just as they are. So we are going to cut open our peach with a small knife. I'll just rest the apples here for a minute. So this is what we are gonna do. You can cut them any way you want to cut them when you are doing it, but I'm doing it this way. So when you do it this way, you go like this. So guys, this is the seed that I'm talking about. That's it. So you go all the way around, and then you twist it, and then you take the seed out from this section. So you have to do this by hand and not on the board, just like that. So there you have seeds that you can use and plant. I'm just gonna go and cut. Let me cut this one a different way and see if this way is easier. Let's see what's popping. No, this way is not easier. You see, you get the seeds, so it's better to cut it. So guys, now you learn something. Don't you cut it this way. Cut it so then you have only 1 seed to take out, and just this one, just a little bit of seed left on this side. But it's easier, as you see, with the others that I did before. Easier to take the seeds out. But this one, because I tried cutting it the other way, So the seed can be damaging to anyone's juicer. So you take the seeds out. Let me make sure that the seed is out in this one. Yeah, we don't want anything to clog up the juicer. Let's see how this one turn out. Wow, this one comes out nicely. And these peach are sweet, guys. So now we are gonna peel our lemon. Lemon is so nice to add in your drink. It's refreshing and it alkalizes the body. So guys, we are going to core our apples, and I'm sure you see me use this little gadget before. I love using it. It's easy to use, very easy. So you take the core out like this. So let's get into our juicing. Now that we have everything finished, we are going to start our juicing. So guys, let's open the flip gate and let's start by putting in an apple. So guys, an apple a day keep the doctor away. I've added an apple, so that will be the sweetener. Now I'm gonna add a piece of peach and we're gonna keep going, guys. So guys, peach have vitamin C, which helps a person to develop resistance against infection and help to eliminate harmful free radicals that cause certain kind of cancer. So, you know, it's fruits. It's not anything to, what would I say, harm your body. Fruits is just fruits. So guys, there you have it. The carrot and the peach and the lemon which I put in. Everything is been going in the mixing bowl and getting together nicely. And there is our carrots, peach. So guys, what I like with this juicer, you can put the carrot in the next side and you don't have to cut them up, and it chops them and you get the juice out of it, which is very nutritious for our body. Now our drink's beginning to look like sunshine. Wow. So I'm gonna just pop an apple in, a piece of peach in, and we keep going. So we're almost close to the serving of our drink. Have a look, guys. Look how beautiful this is. I love my KUVINGS REVO830. So guys, we are going to let out our first batch of carrot, peach, lemon and apple. So let's go and do the second batch. So we have just some carrot and peach, but everything will be going in the same container. So let's go through with the second batch of drinks, guys. So guys, this juice is so good. From vegetation to, what would you think? Vegetable is good. So when you have your juice, when you eat your vegetables, then you won't have to take any medications. So guys, let's eat right. So now we have our carrot going down. Look at that, guys. And it's chopping and squeezing and spitting out the trash one side. Who wouldn't like to have a KUVINGS REVO830? It's very handy in the kitchen. So guys, here we have the carrots. We're gonna pop them in and it's gonna crushed. You see how it's going down? And guys, this is not a short-term investment. Purchasing a KUVINGS juicer is good for anyone's health, to improve your health. You know, juicing is good. You can eat your carrots the same, but remember, we get thirsty too. So why not make juice? And make it the healthy way. Health is wealth, guys. Look how that looks beautiful. So guys, let's let out our second batch of juice. Wow, look at that, guys. Lovely. I love the color, and this is so beautiful and nutritious, good for the eyes, the skin, and I'll list the rest in the description. So guys, I'm around the back. I'm gonna decorate my drink, so I come to pick a piece of mint. Let's go inside. So this is the mint, guys. I have a good amount of mint around the back. So let's go inside. So guys, let's serve our drink. That is it. Wow. So we are gonna close, put the lid on, and we're gonna pop our straw in. And guys, I always cut the fruits up. So these are some peaches. I'm not gonna cut them up. I'm just gonna open one, twist it the same way. Remember how I twisted it? Wow. So we're gonna do like this. And guys, I'm gonna put the mint right between it. So there you have it, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. Bye for now.